Hey everyone, I thought for the weekend we could all make the maple bourbon bacon old fashioned. It's really quite simple. Here's your ingredients right here. So first we'll start with 1.5 ounces of a medium to high proof bourbon for that taste. Next, we'll do Vermont maple syrup. Do about 1/2 ounce. Don't want it too rich. I always do it over the sink too. So about 1/2 ounce. Perfect. Add it in. And then lastly, we will want about 1/8 of a teaspoon of bitters. Just take a little tape. And drop it on in there. Perfect. So now, all you have to do is take your stirring spoon and stir it up a little bit. And let's go ahead and grab a big ice cube. Compliments Old Forester. Go ahead and grab your drink glass. Drop the cube in. Pour your cocktail. Nice and syrupy. And then, of course, we cannot forget the garnish. Bacon. And voila. There's your maple bourbon bacon old fashioned. Cheers, everyone. Happy weekend.